Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Dodge Charger. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes, which is crucial for capturing the car's powerful presence. Think about its distinctive long hood and broad shoulders. Using a light hand with your pencil will make it simple to refine your lines as we progress, ensuring your drawing maintains accuracy and detail from the very start. This initial step sets the stage for a fantastic final piece. Next, let's focus on the iconic features that make a Charger instantly recognizable. The aggressive front grille, often featuring a crosshair design, and the sleek, angular headlights are essential. Don't forget the strong character lines running along the sides, giving it that powerful, sculpted look. The muscular wheel arches and the unique full-width taillight design at the rear are also critical elements to include for an authentic representation. Achieving the correct proportions and perspective is vital for a convincing drawing. The Dodge Charger is known for its low, sleek roofline and broad, imposing body, so pay close attention to these dimensions. Experiment with various angles, perhaps a three-quarter view, to add depth and dynamism to your artwork. Remember to make your wheels perfectly circular and ensure they are aligned correctly within the wheel wells for a balanced and realistic appearance. Finally, it's time to bring your Dodge Charger to life with details and shading. Incorporate smaller elements such as door handles, side mirrors, and the iconic Dodge badges. Shading is key to giving your drawing a three-dimensional quality, emphasizing the car's curves and muscular form. Don't forget to add subtle highlights to suggest reflections on the paintwork, making your Charger look shiny and powerful. These finishing touches truly elevate your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.